Good morning. Here we are once again. Now, I have just gotten back home. I've been gone for like 2 weeks. Where'd I go?
You went to Denver, you went to Florida.
So I went to Florida for MTE, which is Mobile Tech Expo. Remember, Mia's got school, straight A student. We don't take her out of school to go to little events like that. And I went to Denver last week to do a training. So I did teaching, and then we went to Rupes. So me and the team that went through training, we all went and visited and talked with Jason Rose, and we got a lot of awesome information. But when I got back, I had a package waiting for me. And do you know what package it was? Yeah, but do you know where it's from? I didn't either. So I started to open it, and then you know what I realized it was? It was our glove box. So you want to check it out?
Yes.
Let's check out our monthly glove box subscription. So, I was confused because it came in a different box.
Yeah.
So, let's open it up and check it out. Here, let's put your phone down. And let's check it out, okay? We got here, 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 and here. See which one? Oh, okay, do it that way. Whoa. We got detail guards. So these go in your wash bucket. And this is a grit guard. These are really nice ones. So you rub your wash mitt down here and all the dirt goes down and gets trapped. These are awesome. We like these. Let's see what else we got. These look like microfibers, ultra fine microfibers. Here, let's open these. What do you think?
It's soft.
This is a 3-pack of microfibers from Sonax.
It's soft. They also have different outlines.
Yeah, they do. They're all different colors.
This one has white, that one has blue, and that one has red.
So like
Those
red,
are
white,
the
and blue.
colors of the USA.
Those are the colors of the USA, which is awesome. This is Sonax though. They're from Germany. Why do they do red, white, and blue? Who knows? Oh, right. I wonder if you just color coordinate them both based on what you're working on.
Okay.
Okay, so hold them real fast. And then we have Profiline ceramic coating from Sonax. What should be ceramic? What do you want to put ceramic coating on? Maybe we'll find something. We'll find somebody's car to do. How about that?
There's only 3 cars.
We'll find something. All right, let's open it up. We'll check out the Profiline ceramic coating. This package comes from Sonax. All right.
What are these?
These are blocks, and that you put the little wraps on and everything. So in here, this looks like spray ceramic, like similar to
What are these?
the can coat kind of stuff. So hold on, let's take a look because I'm not sure yet.
Is that
Got gloves. You always need gloves when you're doing ceramic coating because it will dry out your hands. You want to put the gloves on?
Yeah.
These are probably big for you, but you still gonna wear them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do I even put gloves on?
You got it? You didn't
Yeah.
even need any help or anything.
I'm gonna just...
All right. Okay. So we got a Profiline ceramic coating. I've never used this form. I have used, we've done, what was it? Like, it's like the can coat that Sonax has. We've done it on your bike, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see if I can
It's
find
my
it.
LOL bike. But it's
Yeah.
over...
The polymer net shield. So we've done this one on Mia's bike, and it looked really good when we were done. So let's see, what else? These are your suede applicator towels that go over these blocks. I don't think you need to blow it up that much.
I needed to make it crazy.
Oh. Okay, so then we have
Ow, ow, ow,
just one
ow.
towel. Why is there only one towel? Let me read these instructions, because this seems a little weird.
Applicators and 1 towel. That's weird.
Okay, so the first step is to clean the paint and polish it with the machine to a high gloss finish without any holograms. Then, the surface should be absolutely clean before sealing. Then, thinly apply the base coat using the enclosed application sponge.
Both of those
Yeah. And it says, for sensitive paint surfaces, also use the enclosed microcloth. So this, you would wrap it around. So, let me see. We'll do it like this. Or just hold it like this, and then you would hold it here like that.
Like this?
Yep.
You always need gloves.
Yes, because ceramic can damage your hands. It can dry it out, make them all nasty, and it gets a little sticky too. So it says, after a short drying time, 30 seconds to 1 minute at most, wipe the treated surfaces with a clean microfiber ultrafine to a streak-free finish. Treat all surface to be sealed in the same process and allow to cure for at least 1 hour. Then, after that time, you apply the glass coat, which is step 2, to achieve a super smoothness and deep shine. For this, spray the product onto the enclosed application sponge and spread over all the surfaces. Drying is not necessary with this product. So you don't have to do like a flash time. You can spray it on and just wipe it right off. This is interesting. If anybody out there knows what the durability is of this product, please let me know. We haven't tested it out, but I think we'll play with it. We'll have a lot of fun. So we have this spray ceramic coating base, and then this gloss coat top coat. And we'll check them out. We'll play with them.
Do not play with ceramic coating.
No,
it can damage your hair.
It can. But if anybody knows the answer out there and how long the durability is, anything like that, please let us know. Reach out. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always. And we'll play with this. We'll have a lot of fun. And we'll see you all soon, right? Thank you for joining us. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.